Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change password in Webull application using your smartphone. To change the password in Webull, first of all launch open the Webull app on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Webull, look for the menu button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. This will now bring up several other different options on the screen. From here, tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Account and Security at the top. Now select the Change Login Password button at the bottom, and on the next page, enter your current login password for your Webull account. After typing down the password, click Next. If you don't remember the password, you can tap on Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions to reset to a new password as well. After entering the correct password and clicking on Next, on the next page you'll get to change your new password. Go ahead and enter the new password under Login Password text box. Once done, make sure to type in the password once again in the Confirm Password field. Make sure both of the passwords in the text boxes matches and finally click Done. And this will help you change your password on Webull. Next time while logging in or when prompted, make sure to enter the newly updated password. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.